Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve an interesting math problem, which is 1 to the power of x, which is equal to 2, and find the value of x which satisfies this equation. So let's go to the solution. So from the beginning we know that 1 power of any number n is always 1, which implies that 1 power of 1 is 1, 1 power of 2 is 1, 1 power of 3 is 1, 1 power of 4, 1, which is 1 power of n is always 1 when n is an element of integer. So in addition to this, which means 1 power of x is always 1, which implies that 1 is different from 2. And then let's introduce logarithm. So applying logarithm on both sides, log of 1 power of x, which is equal to log of 2. So this, according to the rule of logarithm, this exponent will come to the base, so it will be x times log of 1, which is equal to log of 2. But this log of 1 is 0, so x times 0, which is equal to log of 2. So x times 0 will be 0, which is different from log 2. This implies that the equation 1 to the power of x, which is equal to 2, has no solution, has no real solution. But we can find the complex solution for this equation, because thanks to Euler's equation, so by using Euler's formula, we can solve complex solution. We can find the complex solution for this equation. So from Euler's formula, by using Euler's formula, is power of I times theta, which is equal to cos of theta plus I times sine of theta. So in order to get 1, let's take theta. Let theta is equal to 0. So let's introduce this theta, which is equal to 0, into this Euler's equation. So a power of I times 0, which is equal to cos of 0 plus I times sine of 0. So this will be I power of the power of I times 0, which is equal to cos of 0 will be 1 plus I times sine of 0 is 0. So e power of I times 0, which is equal to 1 plus 1, with 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So for its period, theta, which is equal to 2k times pi, where k is an element of integer. So this a power of I times 2k times pi, which is equal to 1. So let's substitute this value into the given equation. So substitute a power of I times 2k times pi into the given equation, which is 1 to the power of x, which is equal to 2. So this is equal to 1. So 1 will be e power of I times 2k pi power of x is equal to 2. So introducing a natural logarithm on both sides, that's ln of e power of I times 2k pi power of x, which is equal to ln of 2. So this exponent or power will come to the base, so it will be I times 2k pi times x ln of e, which is equal to ln of 2. So 2k pi x times I, which is equal to ln of 2 times, here we have ln of e. So x will be, x is equal to ln of 2 divided by ln of e, ln of e times 2k pi x times I, but here ln of e is 1, so x will be ln of 2 divided by 2k pi x times I. So rationalize this equation, that is I times I over I. This will be ln of 2I divided by 2k pi times I squared. So, but this I squared is equal to minus 1. So x will be minus, this will be minus because the I squared will be minus 1. So minus of ln of 2 I divided by 2 pi k, where k is an element of integer and k must be different from 0 is a solution for the given problem. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.